Andrews, Program Manager at the Ronald McDonald House, and I get to show you our second house of our Spokane location. So we have 8 full-size kitchens in this kitchen space here. This one is our chef kitchen, so meal groups that come to prepare a meal for our families can put that meal out here. They'll display it kind of buffet style, so the families will come in from the hospital after being there all day and be able to dish up a nice warm meal. And each family will be assigned their own kitchen. Each kitchen is a different color. So we've got an orange kitchen here, a red kitchen here, and that's shared by 5 different families, and they're assigned by room number, and they have a cupboard where they can put their personal belongings. This here is our media room, so we'll have an area for families to be able to watch movies in a quiet space. We'll have a curtain that spans this way to really give it a movie theater feel. We have a bunch of DVDs that'll be here for them as well, and then a gaming room just around the corner. This here is our fitness center, so we've got some machines here for the families to use, and then we'll also have hand weights there. And we put a window here so that families can be working out in here while their children or the patient is spending time in that living room. They also have a great view of the city. On our second floor living room, we have a seating area here that has a TV and just a quiet area for families to spend time. And then on this side over here, we've got more seating and then one of our many play areas just with toys and everything stocked up for the kids to use. This is one of our 3 laundry rooms. Each laundry room has 2 washing machines and 2 dryers. These machines autofill the detergent, so our families don't have to measure out the soap themselves. It's all just here for them. This is one of our 2 studies that we have here in the house. They're quiet areas intended for kids that need to be tutored while they're staying here with us, or parents can also use this space if they have to work remotely while they're here. So this is an area that we don't have in the house across the street currently, so we're very excited to be able to use this space soon. This house has 34 guest rooms, 10 of which are larger suites and 24 of which look just like this. So the standard room has 2 queen beds. We've got a TV, a rocker for parents and their younger children, a lot of built-in storage for the families to put all their clothing and personal belongings. Each room also has its own bathroom, so we've got one area with the sink and then the space in here that has both the toilet and the shower. So this is one of our king rooms. You'll come in with the bathroom on either side, a lot of built-in storage over there as well. So these larger rooms are intended for families that might have 5 members staying with them, or families that are staying for a longer period of time. So oncology families or patients that are newborn babies born at 2 pounds, just those really long-term stay ones will stay in these rooms. So we've got a king bed on this side and then 2 twin beds on this side. This kitchen is located on our 3rd floor and it is our reserved kitchen. So the families that get to use this would be families that have immune-compromised patients that are staying here. So the communal kitchen is great for meeting each other, hearing each other's stories, but when your child has lower counts, if they're going through cancer treatment or maybe fighting infection, then we'll give them special access to this space that they just get to use as a single family. This here is our 3rd floor living room, so we've got more play space for the kids as well as activities. We've got a ping pong table, a foosball table coming shortly, and then another area to watch TV. Our teen room is also on the 3rd floor. This is a new addition, something that we didn't have at the other house, but an area that's specifically designated for our older patients or older siblings that are staying with us. So we've got cool seating here for them, and then this TV here will have the Wii, the Xbox, and the PlayStation for their use. We are so excited to be able to offer 2 floors of covered parking to our families and secure parking in the garage. And now when they're heading to the hospital, they don't have to rush to find a spot, rush to find their car, and then they also don't have to scrape snow or ice off their windshield when they're staying with us in the winter. This is our main entrance, so this is where our family service staff and volunteer staff work, and anyone who comes to visit the house will walk in through these main doors. This is the magic toy room, so every patient and sibling that comes to stay with us will get a little token that gives them access to this room, and then once they come in, they get to pick a special prize. So in this room, we have toys for every age group. We've got Frozen toys, we've got unicorns, Nerf guns, and sports toys, really anything that any age child would want. Here in our 1st floor living room is our donor wall. Thank you to everybody who contributed to the Capital campaign and helped make this home possible for our families.